You're here because you need help to network unlock your Boost mobile cell phone. Got good news. I'm going to walk you through it. It's pretty straightforward. Bad news is you're not going to really like the answers I have to give. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert. Let's jump right in. Look, here's the thing. Some carriers automatically unlock your phone after a certain amount of time, so you can take it to any carrier you want, not Boost Mobile. To unlock your Boost Mobile phone, you're going to have to call customer service. Here is the number. It'll stay up for a few seconds. But before you call customer service, there are some requirements you have to meet before they'll unlock your phone. So before you waste your time on the phone with customer service, here's 4 things that must happen before Boost will even think about unlocking your phone. Your phone needs to be SIM unlock capable. Most phones these days are. The device can't have been reported lost or stolen. So if you're a bad guy trying to unlock someone's phone, good luck. And if your phone has been stolen, just be sure to mark it lost or stolen so no one can take it and run with it. You have to have had this device from Boost Mobile for 12 months before Boost will unlock it. Even if you own it, they're not going to unlock it. And lastly, you have to have your account with Boost Mobile in good standing. You can't have any unpaid bills. If you have anything unpaid, they will not unlock your phone. That's basically it. If you need the number one more time, it is right here for customer service. Blocking my face somewhere on screen, or it is in the description below if you prefer using it that way. Also, if you're in the military, Boost will unlock your phone with proof of deployment. So take your deployment papers to a Boost Mobile store or call customer service, send them your information, and they will unlock your phone as long as your account is in good standing. You don't have to meet the time requirements or anything like that. You just need proof of deployment if you're in the military, and Boost will unlock your phone whenever you ask them to. That's it. I know it's not the answer you were looking for. There are third-party people that claim to be able to unlock your phone. I don't highly recommend that. It could damage your phone, so you can't use it at all. Just go through the proper steps to get this done. Sorry, not sorry. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert with WhistleOut. Thanks for watching.